Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth back here to talk to you today about our laptop book bags. This is a great substitute for a briefcase, a great substitute for a backpack. You can carry your laptop in here. It comes in two different sizes of laptop. You can get one that fits everything from a 15-inch laptop down and something that fits everything from a 17-inch laptop down. I have a 17-inch laptop. It fits nice and snug in the 17-inch version. So you can see here, it's a very simple, stylish design. There's a little bit of trim, and otherwise, it's a lot of our iconic Duluth Pack rugged canvas. And the main difference stylistically between this and a briefcase is that a briefcase has a grab handle. This does not. It's a very simple, minimalist design. And the shoulder strap is not detachable. It's sewn on. It's made so that you carry it on your shoulder at all times. It's great for biking for this reason. But the shoulder strap, as you can see, is still adjustable. It is our cotton web material. So this requires no break-in period. It's ready to go out of the box. The main function of this bag comes on the inside. Here you can see that padded laptop sleeve in the 15 or 17-inch size. This is a great way to store your laptop, make sure it's not going to get scratched by anything in the rest of your bag. Make sure that it's always in one place and it's padded in case you accidentally drop it or there's any kind of impact. It's nice and protected. This particular model comes with a snap closure over the top too to make sure that nothing's going to fall in or that it's going to slip up and down inside the pocket. On the other side of the interior here, you can see that it has the same awesome functionality as the rest of our book bags. It's got a slip pocket on one side so that you can keep things separate from the rest of your bag. And it's got this awesome organizer so you can store things like small notebooks, anything else that you want to keep separate, and some pens. So as always, our products are proudly made in the USA, and they feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware. So thanks for tuning in about our laptop book bag, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.